Hello and welcome to our latest video. Today we're taking a closer look at the top 5 drones that you can get for under $100. If you're looking to explore aerial photography or just want to have some fun with a new gadget, these drones are sure to impress. All the links to the drones are in the description below. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Today we're going to introduce you to the S1S Mini 4K Professional Drone. With its impressive features, this drone is designed to give you an unparalleled flying experience. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi, providing crystal-clear footage. Additionally, the bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle, giving you a versatile range of viewing options. With its ultra-long endurance 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh lithium battery, you can fly the drone for about 18 minutes on a single charge. More than enough time to capture all the breathtaking views. You can customize your flight path by drawing it on the app. This feature lets you fly wherever you want with ease. The app mobile phone control makes it even more convenient to operate the drone, with features such as one-button return, headless mode, and ascending, descending, forward, backward, left, and right side flight. You can even take amazing photos with the hand gesture photography feature. With optical flow positioning and brushless motors, you can be assured of a smooth and stable flight. The brushless motor provides more power and a longer service life. The size and weight of the product are light, making it easy to carry around. The body weight is only 123 grams, with 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, and more stable flight. The S1S Mini 4K Professional Drone is the perfect choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage and experience the thrill of flying. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the S1S Mini 4K Professional Drone today and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Have you ever wished that you could capture your adventures from a whole new perspective? Introducing the S5S Mini Drone, the perfect tool for all your aerial photography needs. The S5S Mini Drone is packed with amazing features like intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual lens switching, and 360-degree view. With brushless motors and optical flow positioning, this drone is built to perform. Take stunning photos and videos with ease, thanks to its aerial photography capabilities and real-time transmission. And with trajectory flight, capturing the perfect shot has never been easier. Want to take your adventures to the next level? The S5S Mini Drone's mobile phone control and headless mode make it easy for anyone to use. With one-touch takeoff and landing, you can focus on the fun while the drone does the work. And when you're done, simply fold the fuselage for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner, the S5S Mini Drone is perfect for any adventure. Get yours today and see the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the LSRC-XT2 4K Professional Mini Drone Quadcopter. This compact yet powerful drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera, the LSRC-XT2 captures crystal-clear images and video from the sky. Thanks to its air pressure technology, the drone can maintain a stable altitude, while its obstacle avoidance system ensures it doesn't collide with anything in its path. And if you need to bring it back in a hurry, just hit the one-key return button. With optical flow localization, the drone can maintain its position even in windy conditions, making it easier than ever to get the shots you want. And when you're ready to move on to your next location, the foldable body makes it easy to transport the LSRC-XT2 wherever you need it. But this drone isn't just about function, it's also about fun. With features like beauty filters, gear speed switch, and trajectory flight, you can unleash your creativity and capture unique footage every time. And with 50x zoom, you can get up close and personal with your subject, even from far away. So whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to capture the world from a new perspective, the LSRC-XT2 4K Professional Mini Drone Quadcopter is the perfect choice for your next adventure. Are you looking for a drone that can take your aerial entertainment to new heights? Look no further than the K106 LED Light Drone. This drone, equipped with more advanced flight hardware than ever before, this drone offers stunning visuals and unrivaled performance. With its cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, you can enjoy worry-free flight even in crowded areas. The air pressure fixed height and optical flow positioning dual positioning ensures stable balance and beta flying, making it easy to fly indoors or outdoors. And with its high-definition dual cameras, free switching, and 50x zoom shooting, you'll never miss a moment of the action. The HD video transmission means you can enjoy the distant scenery immediately. This LED light drone can withstand winds up to level 4, ensuring stable flight no matter what the conditions. And with its follow and draw functions, you can customize your flight experience like never before. The drone boasts a powerful 7.4 volts, 1800 mAh battery, allowing for up to 15 minutes of flight time. And with a remote control distance of 300 meters, you can explore even further. Upgrade to the K106 LED light drone today and experience the future of aerial entertainment. The S6S Mini GPS drone, the perfect combination of power and precision. With its advanced features and sleek design, this drone is ideal for capturing breathtaking footage and exploring the world from new heights. It is equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a 1080-pixel bottom HD optical flow camera. The S6S Mini GPS drone captures stunning, high-quality images and videos. The camera angle can be switched, and electronic anti-shake technology ensures clear and stable photos. With precise GPS positioning, this drone can perform one-key return, no-signal return, and low-power return functions. The 7.4 volt 1600 mAh lithium battery provides a super long endurance time of about 25 minutes, while charging only takes about 2 hours. Customizable flight routes allow you to draw your desired path on the app. This, combined with intelligent following, palm control, and map real-time positioning, makes this mini GPS drone easy to use and control. This mini drone also features gesture photography, brushless motors, and ultra-long endurance. Its mini size and lightweight make it incredibly portable and easy to travel. With left and right side flight capabilities, automatic switching between optical flow and GPS, and headless mode, this drone is versatile and adaptable to any situation. The brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, making this drone a reliable and durable choice for all your aerial photography needs. If you're looking for a powerful, precise, and versatile drone, look no further than the S6S Mini GPS drone. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.